Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And if you're interested in private readings, naka 30% discount tayo. So, hanggang March 20 lang yan, 2024. Meron tayong link sa description kung paano mag-book. So, you can check it out. Okay, Libra. Let's see what's up for you. Going strong energy ninyo. You have the energy of Libra, which is about balance, working things out when it comes to relationships. So, siguro meron kayong kailangang ayusin ngayon pagdating sa relationship, connections nyo, partnership with other people, and yung priorities nyo rin, no? Minamanage nyo yung inyong oras at panahon na kailangan mabalanse nyo yan. Yung inyong mga responsibilities sa mga bagay na importante sa inyo, like trabaho, relationship, connections, no? And even to yourself. Descendant, invitation. Ooh, this is so much connected sa partnership. Connection mo sa ibang tao. So, pwedeng ito ang magiging focus mo in the next 2 weeks. Yung business partner mo, yung romantic partner mo, or yung kung paano ka makitungo sa iba. Okay? You also have ascendant, which is about yourself. Yeah, I think meron kang mga aayusin na connections, no? Yung iba, halimbawa, wala kayong masyadong time sa partner ninyo. So, ngayon, in the next 2 weeks, babawi kayo. Oo. Pwedeng magbabakasyon kayo elsewhere to make up for that lost time. So, let's see what else for Libra. So, this is your overall energy. You have the energy ng Emperor. Being in your own power. Very much disciplined kayo, no? So, this is energy ng Aries. Being in control of your life, no? So, maari talagang i-organize mo yung schedule mo, no? Para lahat yan, mabibigyan mo ng full attention. This is your energy, this is the challenge, the temperance. Yung patience, oo, yan yung inyong challenge ngayon. Pwede kasing medyo may initin ang ulo nyo in the past few days. So, ang challenge nyo is kung paano nyo makokontrol yung inyong emotions, yung inyong yung iba kasi minsan sensitive, no? Kung paano nyo kasi ang temperance is also about balance, no? So, for you, Libra, you really need to check yung balance sa iyong life, like yung oras at panahon mo sa relationship, sa trabaho, sa sarili mo, nagagampanan mo ba yan lahat? Let's see your opportunity. You have the Star. Uy, puro mga major arcanas to. Meron kang opportunity ngayon na i-pursue yung pangarap mo sa buhay, no, with the Star. I think you are improving yourself, improving your skills para unti-unti, no, maabot mo, ma-achieve mo ayang pinapangarap mo. Some of you are also going to focus on your health, sa inyong kalusugan. Importante sa inyo ngayon ang inyong kalusugan. Yeah, kasi itong ascendant is about yourself. So, pwedeng yung mga bagay na hindi nyo pinapansin when it comes to your health, ngayong, in the next 2 weeks, you will focus on that. Yung mga, check-ups na hindi nyo tinutuloy. Ayan. So, ngayon itutuloy nyo na para kung merong issue, may problema, maaayos agad. Let's see your blessing. Ano naman ang blessing ng mga Libra? Uy, the Sun. Grabe, puro major ito, Libra. The Sun is about happiness. So, blessing. Merong magandang blessing na darating sa inyo. Yung iba, baby. No? New baby, new member of the family. This is also being more creative. Some of you will give some time with your children. No? Kung kayo ay medyo naging busy ng mga nakaraan. This time, magfo-focus kayo sa family, sa anak ninyo. Especially sa anak nyo. Kung naging very busy kayo. And this is also confidence, clarity in your life. Mas magiging malinaw sa'yo yung gusto mo sa buhay, yung gusto mong i-pursue. Unlike before na medyo naguguluhan ka. No? Maari rin kasi mayroon kang pinagdidesisyonan ngayon na you are still in the process of choosing. Pumipili ka kung alin yung makakabuti for you. So, ngayong in the next 2 weeks, maliliwanagan ka kung alin yung best for you. So, tinan natin money, career, finances for Libra. Oh, the Chariot, oh. Success. Yes, this is triumph. Kung may mga nadidelays na transaksyon, or mga balita, no? Nadidelay in the past. Ngayong, in the next 2 weeks, makakarinig ka na ng update. You are finally moving forward. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may bibilhing sasakyan, no? Meron ding promotion sa trabaho. Pag-angat kasi yan, eh. You have the Death card, which is about transformation. Grabe, Libra. Major changes are coming sa inyo. Kasi ito naman lahat ng lumabas, major arcana. Endings and new beginnings. Yung iba, may magtatapos na chapter sa inyong career, sa inyong business. And at the same time, may magbubukas naman na bago. You have the 5 of Wands. Very competitive ka pagdating sa career mo. And ito yung time na maraming challenge din sa'yo sa abilities mo, eh. Isipin nila, do you deserve it? Kung dinideserve mo ba talaga yung success na tinatamasa mo. May mga ganun, eh. May mga mang-challenge sa'yo. Maaring may inggit. Pwede rin sa workplace. Lalo na kung iba sa inyo naka-receive ng recognition or promotion sa trabaho. Siyempre, meron dyan na, iiyak dahil hindi sa kanila napunta yung promotion, yung salary increase, and they will try to kukumpara nila, no? Kung paano mo na-deserve yun, mas deserving sila, yung mga ganun. So, pag ganyan, huwag mo nalang pansinin kasi naibigay sa'yo yan because you deserve it. Okay? So, sa relationship, you have the 10 of Pentacles, the 2 of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. Okay, for those who are single, meron ditong potential romantic partner, someone who is established na sa buhay. Marami na siyang na-achieve sa buhay niya. And itong person na to is ready na to settle down. So, kung kayo naman ay nasa relationship ngayon, possible na ang iyong person ay yung hindi pa kasal, ha, pwedeng magpo-propose na or pag-uusapan nyo kung ano yung mga plano ninyo. Seryosong plano to pagdating sa relationship. Pwedeng magiging open na kayo sa marriage, kung ilan yung magiging anak nyo, saan kayo titira, yung mga ganon. Ano yung magiging setup ninyo sa work, beauty. Today, you are a curator of beauty. You are blessed with moments that let you know beyond a shadow of doubt that all is well in the world. Yes. Very positive ang inyong pananaw ngayon. Rebel. It's time to celebrate the fact that you don't fit in. Stand on your own 2 feet. So, this is independence. Yung iba sa inyo na alam nyo sa sarili nyo na meron pa kayong kayang gawin, outside of your comfort zone, yes, go ahead, gawin nyo yan. As long as you believe in yourself, because you will be successful in that field. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.